Did you know that with just one click on your smartphone, you could earn $25? Yes, you heard that right. You don't need to be a smart genius to figure out how much money you could make. I know it sounds crazy, but believe me when I say that in this video. I'll share the secret of this brand new technique that no one else is talking about. It's a completely free strategy that works everywhere in the globe, and it's meant for newbies who have never made money online before. So relax and don't worry if you don't know where to begin, because I'll teach you precisely how to create a free account, and I'll be here to lead you through every detail and step so you can start making your first $150 to $1,500 online by the conclusion of the video. I'll also teach you some insider secrets that can help you double your money-making potential. So stay tuned until the conclusion. But before we begin, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel as well. Hit that notification bell button so that you will get notified whenever a new money-making video from our channel comes out. Also, share this to your friends and family so that you and everyone else will know this great tip to earn money. If you have any questions, concerns, or opinions about the video, just leave a comment below. We'd love to hear from you. Let's return to the video now. OfferVault.com is the name of the website we'll be discussing today and where you can earn money. Allow me to demonstrate the website's payout rate. As you can see, different offers will give you different sums of money, some as high as $750. I'll make the explanation so simple for you that you can start earning $150 right now with just 5 clicks. The first step is to go to the OfferVault website's homepage and click the gift card, which will reveal all of the offer-related gift cards. As you scroll down, you'll notice the name of the offer and the amount of the rate offer. You'll see that there are discounts starting at $70, then $25, and so on. There are hundreds of offers on OfferVault that you can use to make money online, and I'll only show you the best, including one that I'm now using to make a lot of money. Take a peek at this offer, $500 Amazon gift card sweepstakes. Simply click the link to be led to this page, where you can see that you'll be paid $25 per lead and see the official website for this offer, which you can click on. On its official website, you can view hundreds of different offerings, and you won't have to develop any websites because everything is pre-made and done for you. When someone clicks on your link, they will be taken to the official website of the deal. If they add more information to the form, such as their name, address, and the phone number, and then click the next button, it qualifies as one lead, and you'll get your $25 with only one click. What's great about OfferVault and CPA marketing is that you don't have to do any hard selling. All you have to do is take one single link and get people to click on it, and you'll get paid $25 for each and every click. Now let me teach you how to earn a ton of free clicks from anywhere on the planet. Are you getting thrilled yet? Let's go on to our second website, where you can acquire a lot of free traffic and make a lot of money. This is Pinterest, and I'll teach you how to join in a minute. But first, let me show you some samples. When you search for Amazon gift cards on Pinterest's homepage, you'll find a lot of them, and there are a lot of people who share Amazon gift card pictures for free. When you click on the picture, you'll be taken to a page with a link, and if I click the link here, the person who posted it will earn money. Many people have tried this strategy and have had a lot of success getting people to click on their Pinterest link. They just post a photo of an image, such as an Amazon gift card, along with the title, description, and of course, their link. That link might be an OfferVault link, which means the person who posted it will earn money if someone clicks it and is brought to a website where they must fill out some information before clicking the next button. Don't worry if you don't know how to make those images. That's why I'm here. I'll show you where you can obtain them all for free. There's no need to make your own, and you don't need any technical or creative abilities. I'll teach you how to get a free image and share it on Pinterest. Go to Google and search for Pinterest. Then click on the first link that appears to be sent to the Pinterest homepage to sign up and create your free account. As previously indicated, people upload their images on their website and can share them with everyone. So now you may sign up by entering your email address, creating a password, entering your age, and then continuing to sign up. It's absolutely free and accessible from anywhere on the planet. Before we go any further, please take a moment to subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up if you enjoyed the video thus further. Please leave a comment below if you found this video interesting and informative. Once you've logged into your Pinterest account, You'll see a variety of photo and image recommendation on your dashboard. Click on Make a New Pin to get to a screen where you can drag or upload your image. After successfully uploading your image, you can now add a headline, such as a $500 Amazon gift card, and of course, the most important part, add your link to add the destination URL so that others can see it and then click it. In a minute, I'll show you step by step how to upload a photo and fill in the blanks with information. Did you know that tens of thousands of people use Pinterest every month to hunt for an Amazon gift card? This means that the more photographs you submit and pin, the more people who will view your image and click on your link. Hundreds of people will see your photograph and follow your link every day. Yes, some of them may fill out the form and some may not, but it's a fairly wonderful way to get money because they don't have to sell anything or buy anything. All they have to do is complete the form on the connected page of the link. Let's have a look at how to get free Google Photos next. Go to google.com and click on Pictures, then type in free Amazon gift card in the search box and hit enter. You'll find a large number of photos to download to your laptop or smartphone. You can re-upload the image you downloaded to your Pinterest account, but you can't just take it from the other people because it's copyrighted. That's why I'm here to assist you by providing you with an additional step that is crucial. If you neglect it, you'll lose money. I'd like you to go to Settings and then Advanced Search, which will take you to a screen where you can go down and look for a change in usage rights from all to Creative Commons licenses, which means you can share, reuse, and save the photos. You'll now see all the photographs available for download, sharing, and reuse. Simply select an image that appears to be licensable and save it to your phone or PC. You can then submit the image to your Pinterest account after you have it. Remember to include your title and description, as well as the image and link you uploaded. You may now make $25 every time someone clicks on your link, and you can repeat the process using new images that you can discover and download for free on Google. Don't worry about people not seeing your link because hundreds of thousands of users search Pinterest every day for something, and one of your photographs will certainly appear. As a result, continue to post a large number of photographs. If you want to take your earnings to the next level and find a faster way to make a lot of money online, I strongly advise you to visit the 10timesprofitsites.com website by clicking the link below. This is a software that will automatically pull automated commissions for your website with the potential to earn up to $1,500 per day. Many brand new beginners all around the world have started to achieve good results with this application. By clicking the link below, I'll show you how to demo and utilize the software, as well as how to make $1,500. You can see that it starts at $1,000 and goes up to $3,000 in under a week. It's one of the most brilliant strategies I've ever seen, and it's still operating today, with a large number of people benefiting. That's all for today. I hope you learned something from this video and that I was able to help you find a new way to earn money online. As always, if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel as well. Ring that notification bell button so that you will get notified for our next videos. Stay tuned for our next video, and I'll see you there.